Dear children, Eid Mubarak, ***. Today, we have a sweet story for you about two kids performing their first Eid prayer. This story is not only fun but also teaches us the importance of Eid prayer. Let's begin. It was the morning of Eid. Hassan and Zainab woke up excitedly. They wore new clothes, took their Eid money, and got ready to go to the Eidgah with their father. Upon reaching the Eidgah, Hassan said to Zainab, "Today, we will pray the Eid prayer with the adults for the first time." Zainab smiled and replied, "Yes. I learned how to pray from Abu." When the prayer started, both children stood respectfully. They followed the Imam in ruku and sujud. After a while, the prayer ended, and everyone greeted each other with Eid Mubarak. Back home, the kids told their mother, "Ami, we prayed the Eid prayer for the first time today." Ami hugged them and said, "Well done. May Allah accept your prayer." Hassan and Zainab learned that performing Eid prayer is very important and brings us joy. Did you pray the Eid prayer too? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun stories, ***.